Hi there. I'm excited to embark on this 30-day healthy lifestyle eating plan with you, but we're going one day at a time. So today is my day one. It's all about progress, not perfection. So let's start by making simple changes and building from there. Breakfast: 1 low-fat plain Greek yogurt, 6 ounces, 3/4 cup of blueberries, 12 almonds or 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed meal. And then I'll have coffee with milk and a sugar substitute. This breakfast is high in protein and fiber. Greek yogurt has a lot of protein, which keeps me full longer than regular yogurt. Blueberries are full of antioxidants and fiber. Almonds provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber. Flaxseed meal is high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Lunch: 1 piece of grilled chicken, 4 ounces, 1 whole grain wrap. Now, if you're avoiding gluten, you can use a corn wrap or any other kind of wrap that you like. Fill it with onions, peppers, spinach, and 1 to 3 of an avocado. And I'm going to have 1 1/4 cups of strawberries on the side. This lunch is delicious and very satisfying. The chicken provides protein, and the wrap with all the veggies and fruits provides fiber and vitamins. Snack: I'm going to have a little snack before my next meal. I'm going to have a small apple with 1 tablespoon of all-natural nut butter. This could be peanut butter, almond butter, cashew butter, or even sunflower seed butter. This snack is perfect for an afternoon pick-me-up. The apple provides natural sweetness, and the nut butter adds protein and healthy fats. Now dinner: 1 grilled turkey burger, 4 ounces, 1 medium-baked sweet potato topped with cinnamon, and 1 cup of spinach, sautéed with garlic and 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and a side salad with 1 tablespoon of dressing. This dinner is both delicious and nutritious. The turkey burger is lean protein. The sweet potato provides complex carbohydrates and fiber, and the spinach adds vitamins and minerals. So tomorrow is day 2. We'll have another video then with what I'm eating tomorrow, but I hope this gives you some ideas of what you can eat when you're embarking on your healthy eating journey. Remember to listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues, make gradual changes, and don't be afraid to indulge in healthy snacks when you're feeling hungry. Choose nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water and limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Be patient and kind to yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Nourishing your body is an act of self-love, and it has a profound impact on your overall well-being. By making conscious food choices, you can fuel your body, enhance your energy levels, and improve your health. Remember to savor each bite, appreciate the nourishment it provides, and enjoy the journey towards a healthier, happier you. Wishing you success on your 30-day healthy eating journey. May this challenge be a transformative experience that leads to lasting healthy habits and improved well-being. Embrace the process, celebrate your achievements, and remember that every step you take is a step towards a better, brighter future. Thank you for joining me on this incredible adventure. Let's make this the healthiest and happiest 30 days yet. Take care and happy healthy living.